Hi guys, Sam Lazar here, and I'll be unboxing my birthday present I got from a friend, King Padarat, also known as Patrick McEgan. Links to his YouTube channel will be in the description or one of the cards on the side around the screen. So yeah, King Padarat is a good friend of mine. So this is my birthday present. I was born on 22nd of June 01, so I'm now 16. It's 24th today, 22nd was my birthday, so yes. So let's see what's in the box. An R2D2 mug. I'm R2D2. A pencil case thing. Sorry, it's just doing this one hand. It's annoying. From typo. The Star Wars. No, I like Star Wars. A birthday card with no name. I know it's to me. What's this? An S key ring. Oh, it lights up with a little switch. Uh-oh, fidget spinners. I go crazy for make me insane with fidget spinners. USB 2 hub. That's nice, 4-port USB 2 hub. I'll set something up. I'll set up a desk setup. Quick start guide. Yeah, for Dell PC running 2000. My Dell I won't touch, and my 2000 NEC. A reinstallation disk for Dell. How to. Oh, the burger thing. So that's what's in the box. So I'm gonna open the card and show you. OMG, it's your birthday, oh my god, yay! Let's party! It's an iPhone. Looks like an iPhone 5S SE. I don't like Apple, but that's me. But you know I like smartphones. Dear Sam, happy 16th birthday from Patrick and McEgan family. Hello! So that was in my box, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Sam, thank you for watching, and see ya.